Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering the earphone off and removing silicone tips. This exposes the housing. Once done, use a precision screwdriver to remove the 2 4-screws and pry open along the seam with a plastic spudger to avoid marks. As you lift the cover, make sure to note the position of the battery and ribbon cables. Take a quick photo for reference. Identify the small round speaker driver and its solder points on the PCB so you can plan the next, more delicate steps. Now you desolder the old speaker. Heat the solder joints with a 350 degrees C iron and apply a solder wick or pump to clear the pads. Once solder is molten, gently lift the speaker wires with tweezers while keeping the iron nearby to reflow stubborn joints. This prevents tearing pads. If the speaker is glued, apply a small amount of isopropyl and let it soften before prying. Make sure to keep the PCB and battery shielded from heat. Excessive heat can delaminate traces and ruin connections. Place the replacement driver into the cavity aligning polarity markings. Once positioned, tack solder one pad to hold it, then solder the second pad with clean joints for good conductivity. After cooling, reseat any shields and ribbon cables, then close the housing and replace screws snugly. Do not over-tighten to avoid stripping. Power on and play a test tone at low volume to confirm sound and no distortion. If you hear crackling or no sound, reopen and check cold solder joints and connector seating as the primary troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.